Washing procedure. First, check garments to the stain and damages. Check all the packets for all the valuables left by guests. Check if there are missing buttons or if there are stain or damages. Check also if the garment is already faded or has discolored. Segregate items according. Segregate the white items for the colored ones. Separate those that will be hand washed from those that will be machine washed. Next. Scrub all heavily soiled parts of garments. Use laundry brush with soap and water. Attention to the collars, cuffs, pocket, waist band, armholes. Please scrubbing helps to remove heavy soil. Load all the items for the machine washing into the washing machine. Use appropriate wash formula and required chemical dosage. Segregate white from colors items. Those with heavy color must not go with light color items to prevent contamination of the colors. Use less detergents for the light salt items. Condition of the machine before using, test whether it's not working condition. Keep clean, lean, screen, and dry your drum. Put in the machine just enough quantity of linen such that it will be not occupy the whole dryer drum. Overloading causes drying and wrinkling and can damage the machine. Select the right drying cycle in setting. Automatic dry to towels and linens which not require pressing or not hard to press.